All right, everybody, here we go. It's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. Today, the charade of the markets and the Federal Reserve is about to hit new heights. What am I talking about? Unprecedented in history. The Federal Reserve is now buying corporate bonds and the ETFs, or the exchange traded funds that track them. If this is not a takeover of this, the entire system by the New World Central Bank, I don't know what is. They are literally buying everything. They're buying it all. And they're funneling trillions of dollars around the world to other central banks to do the same thing. It's honestly a freak show. And I honestly do believe there's going to be a miserable price to pay for this. I'm talking about the loss of freedoms and liberties. There's no free market anymore. There's no free market economy. We have no economy. But now, again, this is unprecedented in history. The Federal Reserve buying corporate bonds and the exchange-traded funds that track them. It's just more fakery in the market. And this is why right now, as I am doing this video blog, stocks are poised yet again for a gain at the open. Let's talk about a few more things that are going on here. Crude oil is like over 5% higher right now. You know how bullish that is for the energy sector and the financial sector. You got the 10-year yield 0.71. That's not too bad either. Of course, we want to see that go up. I already explained to all of you, I personally will not be entering any core holdings with regard to positions. Until that 10-year gets above 1%, of course, I'm trading the market every day. But when I do enter core positions, I will let all of you know about it, especially if you have signed up for my newsletter, link in the description of this video. And when I talk about core positions, I'm talking about large cap, high dividend paying companies. But the environment we are in must stabilize first. Yes, the Federal Reserve is buying the world. Literally buying the world now, creating, I don't know what they're creating. It's just so freaking rigged and fake. It's crazy. All right, so let's talk about gold and silver. Gold and silver are catching a little bid right now because the dollar is a little bit weaker. Cryptocurrencies are up slightly right now. But the real story is the market. The market cannot drop in this environment of extreme liquidity propping up this entire thing. The Fed's balance sheet is hyper ballooning. Every single thing I explained to you months ago would happen is all of it. It's all happening right here, right now, and it's in our face. All right, so just real quick, in summary, stocks are poised for a higher open across the board as the Federal Reserve now begins its bond buying program, corporate bonds, and the exchange-traded funds that track them. I mean, this is just crazy. When do we allow a market to work? You know, people are going to blame the free market. This is not a free market. This is a managed market. And it's been their plan for decades to take over not just the markets, but the world. And that's what the Fed is doing here. Whatever happened under the last president, Obama, is nothing. It's a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of what's going on right now with the Federal Reserve and the current administration. It's unbelievable. It really is. I find it disturbing to the highest order to watch this unfold, to witness what we're seeing right now. It's unprecedented. It's historic, and not in a good way. All right, look, I'm out of here. Love you a lot. Please share the video. See you later.